It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 18. Okay, we already got pens. We already got a notebook. I'm not really sure. We're just going to go dive right in here. I was going to say a notebook, but I thought, no. Okay, field notes. Cute. I'm a paper person, so I love these things. It's just grid paper, which I'm not going to complain about because these are great for designing quilt blocks. Or like if you're trying to figure out the size of a block, you can sketch things out in here. This is great. This is a great one to have in your purse when you're going shopping for fabric.